Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So it is the hourly chart, one-hour chart of Euro, USD, and as we all know and can see that not only Euro, USD, almost all the dollar pairs are sideways or silent right now. There is not much activity going on in the market. The market was expecting that market will get a proper direction after the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, but market did not get. Okay, right now market is mostly focused on dollar flat after Fed official comments. Focus on CPI data next week. Yes, market is now mostly waiting for the CPI data. So this week was very boring and probably will remain boring. Maybe we will get a proper move, some volatility, some action on Valentine's Day. Yes. If you look at the economic calendar, okay, I'm in forexfactory.com, you can see that this week we do not have any big news that will bring some moves to the market. So there's a high chance the market will remain sideways. And on 14 FEB, on Valentine's Day, when you will be spending quality time with your loved one, market will be showing moves. So as we do not have any big news right now, so please plan your trades accordingly. Okay. So this is the chart of Euro USD. Remember, I told you yesterday that we have a clear wedge pattern on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, and I also mentioned that though we have a wedge pattern because market was standing somewhere around here, I told you clearly that though we have a wedge pattern, market does not have the strength, the pull power to go for a breakout, and we saw that on the market is inside the range only. So these lines are not required anymore. So this is the range of Euro USD right now. So keep in mind that though Euro USD or any other USD pairs, for example gold, is trading inside a range, but the range is very fragile. They are not very strong right now. Okay, as the volatility of the market is very low, as a result market is trading inside the range only. Once you'll see the volatility is back in the game, obviously market will break the range and go higher or go down. Okay, it depends on the situation. For example, on the chart of Euro USD right now, you can see that market has resistance zone. Okay, market resistance zone at 1.0765, 1.0770. Okay, 1.0765 to 70. This is the resistance zone right now, as there is not much volatility or action going on. So next time, once market enters inside the blue zone here, the blue box here, observe the market. This is a zone in the market. Okay, this is not the exact number. You need to observe the market. Once market enters inside the blue box, if possible try to draw a blue or any other color box like this. Okay, once market enters inside the zone, observe the market. If you see market reversing, you can go for a sell position because already market has reversed twice. Okay, keep in mind, if market continues the same stuff for more than 3 to 4 times, then you must be very careful, because if you find market testing a level too many times, you should always be careful. Right now market has reversed only 2 times, so we can expect that third time or fourth time also market will be reversing. But if it does more than that, then you must be careful, because market does not like common things. Okay, so right now the range is this only. If market goes up, observe the market. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position. In case market goes for a breakout, if you see the market is suddenly going up, market is crossing the blue box, then also do not take a buy position, because my dear friends, it can be a stop loss hunting as well. So you should wait for the next level, that is 1.0800. You should wait for the next level, 1.0800. It can be 1.0805 as well. Around this level you will see market receiving some resistance again. So if market breaks the blue box, wait for the market to hit the second resistance, the proper resistance. If market reverses from there, you can consider taking a sell position. But be careful while taking a buy position at breakout, because it can be a stop loss hunting as well. Okay, so these two are the resistances on the chart of Euro USD right now. This is a proper resistance because we can see previous support will be acting as resistance, but this is the range right now, but this is very fragile, so be careful. On the other hand, the support is still the same. The yellow box, as you can see, the support is, wait, let me write it down, 1.0685 to 1.0665. This is the support zone on the market of euro dollar. If market comes down, observe the market around this area. There's a high chance that market will take support and bounce. Because of the ongoing volatility, we cannot okay, actually the chances of market going for a breakout or breakdown is very less. Try to keep your one eye on the chart of DXY, because DXY, as we all know, plays a big role in the forex market. So as the market is sideways right now, okay, I'm just wrapping it up. As the market is sideways right now, so your strategy should be very simple, because in all the sideways market of the world, the strategy is simple: buy at support and sell at resistance. But when the buy at support and sell at resistance becomes very common, when you find market testing a level too many times, okay, you should be very careful, because there's a high chance of a breakout, breakdown, or stop loss hunting. Okay, so if market breaks also the resistance at the top, don't panic, wait for the market to hit the next resistance around 1.0800, 1.0805. Once you see market reversing from there, you can look for a sell position there as well. Okay, so my dear friends, if you're looking for a proper broker or reliable broker, if you're not happy with a broker right now, then yes, you can check out the link in the description, where I have mentioned 5 tips for selecting a forex broker, because having a good forex broker is very important. Because every month I receive 1 or 2 cases where people complain, they cry a lot that their broker has vanished, they are unable to withdraw their profits. Why does it happen? Because the broker is not reliable, the broker is not regulated. So my dear Indian clients, Indian friends, you can open your account with XM. XM is one of the most reputed broker in the world. Okay, so without any hesitation, you can choose XM as your forex broker. And others, you can look for HF markets or hot forex. Previously, hot forex is one of the most reputed broker in the world. The link is in the description. You'll find all the details. Just look at the licenses they are holding and all the things. Okay, the best thing about XM is that, why is it good? Because they also have UPI and net banking deposit and withdrawal for Indian clients. So I have also done a detailed comparison between XM and HF markets, so you can understand that whether you should be opening your account on XM or HF markets. Okay, and rest, who wants to learn, who are struggling with the market right now, consider joining the Pro Trader program, where we do many things. Yes, we also conduct a monthly workshop. The next workshop will be around in the month of March. Okay, but still, as of now, you can consider joining the Pro Trader program, because you'll receive many benefits. Okay, so if you're struggling in the market right now, if you're looking for proper direction to become a successful forex trader, then please check out the link in the description. Bye bye, take care.